In this video I'm going to show you how to watch and save replays of Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch 2. First press on the plus button of the Switch 2, then scroll down to the settings icon, select settings, then with the R button here go to game and then scroll down to replays, and here make sure that record replays is on. And then you can also choose to turn on the recordings for large team modus, and you can also choose to turn on the replays of the creative mode matches. Now, do what you want, and then once you did what you want, go back, and then with the R button again go to career, and then here if we select here replays, you will be able to see all the replays you have. I didn't play Fortnite yet with this account, so there are no replays available for me at the moment. But here you can also save the replays, you can delete replays, or you can also give the replays a special name. So guys, this is how to watch and save replays of Fortnite on the Nintendo Switch 2.